Now, Andrea, there have also been questions about the number of public sector entities with investments in SSL. What did the minister say about that?
The minister indicated, Herman, that Kenneth Tomlinson, who has been appointed temporary manager of SSL, told him that public bodies had just under $1 billion in investments. Now, 2 public bodies had the bulk of investments in SSL.
The National Health Fund has a balance of approximately $740 million, $740,563,020. The National Housing Trust has a balance of $238,855,480. The National Insurance
Now, the National Insurance Fund had over $8.4 million, over $8.9 million for the Jamaica Agricultural Society, and the Jamaica Banana Catastrophe Fund, over $98,000. Now, another concern sparking debate was if the minister knew about the operations of SSL prior to the fraud. The FSC labeled the SSL as a problem institution in one of its reports, and it also said that the entity had a culture of non-compliance and mismanagement of client funds.
Let me state categorically that in approximately 5 years of service as Minister of Finance and the Public Service, neither the FSC Board of Commissioners nor the FSC Executive Director nor any person from the FSC has ever raised Stocks and Securities Limited, SSL, with me in any way.
Minister Clark said, Herman, that he also spoke with former Finance Minister Audley Shaw, and Mr. Shaw told him that the FSC also did not raise issues about SSL with him during his tenure.